Hello, and welcome to the demonstration of how to receive product by containers with assemblies. In this video, we will go over why we would receive products with assemblies, as well as how to receive the product with assemblies. We may receive product using assemblies for a couple of reasons. The first reason is error reduction. By receiving product with assemblies, we can greatly reduce the total quantity errors. The total quantity of the product will be summed by the software based on the number of assemblies, containers per assembly, and quantity by container. The second reason is ease of entry. By using assemblies to receive product, you no longer need to enter each container and container quantity received from your supplier. The assembly and container numbers will also be automatically generated by the system based on what you specified. The third, and perhaps the most important reason, is to track assemblies themselves. Receiving your items by using assemblies ensures that an assembly label is generated. By doing this, you are able to scan the assembly barcode and have information on that assembly, including the number of containers within it, the location of the assembly, and other useful data. We will now review how to receive products using assemblies. First, access the purchase receipt icon on the home page screen. Alternatively, you may use the main menu bar to access the purchase receipt module. To do this, select Transactions, Receiving, then Purchase Receipt. Next, select the new icon to receive product that has been ordered and fill in all of the relevant information required to receive the product. For general information on how to receive product, please see the link in the description below. We will now select the Add Containers icon located on the Purchase Receipt menu. Here, we will specify the number of containers we have received, the quantity of the containers, and the number of assemblies. The system will automatically populate the containers per assembly. This is done by dividing the containers by the number of assemblies. It should be noted that the containers per assembly must be a whole number, otherwise an error will appear. Next, we press OK. The system will automatically populate the resulting assemblies and containers with assembly numbers below. We will then enter the total quantity that we received. By pressing Save, the system will automatically store the container and assembly IDs. We may then proceed to print our labels. Our labels are now printed with the container number and the assembly number displayed on each of the labels. In review, we have learned the importance of receiving product with assemblies and how to perform this action in the Mar-Kov system. Thank you for listening, and see you in the next Mar-Kov video tutorial.